Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we watch 5 animal bed and flies that don't sleep. Let's go to the video. Number 1. Bullfrog. Bullfrogs stay awake and alert even when they seem to be resting. These frogs don't sleep for a major period in a year, and even when they rest after this, it's not complete sleep. Number 2. Frigate bats. The great frigate bat, like dolphins, can engage in hemispheric sleep. However, unlike dolphins, they use this strategy as needed. Number 3. Dolphins. Newborn dolphins don't sleep for a month after birth and stay alert with at least one eye open at all time. This is different to other animals. Number 4. Fruit flies. Female fruit flies exhibit brief sleep durations with an average of 72 minutes per day. Some flies have been observed sleeping for as little as 4 minutes daily. Number 5. Jellyfish. According to a study in 2017, the jellyfish enter into a situation which is a sleep-like state. During this, their activity decrease and have slower responsiveness to stimuli. Also, these jellyfish are very dangerous. Thank you.